Yes, Rob. One more question.
Please.
As far as like teaching your kids that you have one boy, one girl, is there a certain, I guess, to a certain point you can teach your little girl as far as teaching your son? Is there like any a stopping point? Okay, this is the only, so far I can teach her this, and the wife has to teach her the rest,
it depends how old the kids. When they're little, they learn the same. He has to know what bracha to make, and she has to know what bracha to make, and all other things. I mean, there is no big difference, almost no big difference, or no any difference when they're little. When they grow older, okay, yes, he has to go to learn the Gemara, and she has to go and learn laws of kashrus and other things what pertain to women. You understand? But the boy is not obligated. So we relied, we technically rely on his wife, on his wife to be that she's going to be knowledgeable. But I always encourage people to learn all these things. I mean, I'm men. Even the laws of ritual purity, no, not ritual, family purity. They must know. Like wife is confused. So who she's going to ask, right? So he has to know, like, at least the more knowledge you have, at least you know. Maybe you're not going to remember all of the halachas, but at least you would understand that in this situation it's a problem. I don't know what to do. I don't remember, but I know there is a problem and we have to ask. But many people, they do not know like when to ask and what to ask. That's a scary thing. So at least when we cover like same subject as women, like so at least you know that it could be an issue. Maybe let the wife take charge, but at least you know a lot about it also. But otherwise, yeah, there is no difference. The only difference, as we learn, he goes to Gemara and she stays on other topics. Okay.